AI is insane and it's getting crazier and crazier day by day. Now you can even use your phone to create these type of 3D animated cartoons. Yup, all for free just with your phone, and the best part, only using one app, and that is one and only WhatsApp. Yup, you heard it right. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can create these type of animated cartoons using only WhatsApp. So the thing is, Meta AI is available on WhatsApp. You can create your scripts and create your pictures and then convert the pictures into videos. So you can now do everything by using Meta AI in your WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this works in both PC and Android. So if you are using PC like me, just search WhatsApp web. You can also use WhatsApp app version if you don't want to log in into the WhatsApp web version. So once you are on your WhatsApp, just click on this Meta AI icon. Once you will click on this icon, you will find an interface like this. So just type create a kid's story, no dialogues, only narrator, and just click enter. Now just wait while Meta AI creates a short story for you. Now once you get your story, all you have to do is just give Meta AI the second prompt, which is now just type this prompt and Meta AI will analyze the story, and then it will create the best prompts that you can use to create detailed photos. Now, as you can see, Meta AI has already given me prompts to create pictures. Now, you might be thinking that you have to go to Leonardo AI or any other AI image generator. But the best part is you don't have to go anywhere. Just copy your first prompt and paste it directly into the Meta AI. And then wait a little while Meta AI creates the picture itself. Now you can see Meta AI has created the picture that I want. If you don't want this text, just type. Now as you can see, the picture remains the same, but the text has gone. Now that you got your photo, the crucial steps comes in, converting this picture into a mesmerizing video. So for that, just ask Meta AI to convert this picture into a video. Now that you can see, Meta AI has created a video for me. Now you might be thinking, what about the rabbit in the picture? So let me tell you this. In your cartoon video, you are not supposed to use this photo. All you have to use is this video. So the purpose behind creating this photo was not that we have to animate this one. When Meta AI will create the video, it will take this object as a reference. As you can see, this is a rabbit, so Meta AI has taken the rabbit as the reference, also the forest behind the rabbit. So that Meta AI has created our first scene. Let's move to create our second scene. So for that, again, just copy your second prompt and then just paste your prompt here. Now the best part is, you can see in the second prompt there is no mention of a rabbit. The only thing that is mentioned is Fluffy. In the first prompt, it was mentioned that a little rabbit named Fluffy. So the intelligence of Meta AI is more than the other image generators out there. Meta AI has already learned that the rabbit's name is Fluffy. Now just paste your second prompt, which is convert this picture into video by giving a little movement. Now as you can see, Meta AI has created our second video and it's looking perfect. Here you can see, in the first video the rabbit's color was a mixture of white and brown, and in the second video it's the same rabbit. So we can say Meta AI is creating videos with consistent characters. Now it might end the rest of image and video generators in upcoming time, since Meta AI's intelligence is so high that it can remember a character's name and maintain a consistency. It's 100% free, it's all in just one place, the scripting, the image generation, the video generation, all in one place. So if you are trying to create a video, this is the best way to create your 3D animation videos. So now that you have learned how to create your photos and videos in just one place, just create all of your photos here, download them, edit them using any online software, and you'll have your first ever 3D animated cartoon video. If you find this video helpful, then give it a like and subscribe to DeepMind AI for upcoming videos. Guys, we have been planning to launch a full course about how to create a movie using AI. So, if you don't wanna waste the opportunity, just subscribe to DeepMind AI and turn on the bell notification. And if you have any questions regarding this process, or if you wanna say anything, just leave a comment below. You are watching DeepMind AI, and I'll see you in the next one.